Yo, market is on a mission, bro. Holy. 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 What up, Dan Dan? Jeez, man. This market is not playing. Trump said the magic word. AM sucked all morning. I've been wanting longs. We almost get them and then dump. Yep. Shout out to Trump. Bro literally said some news and yeah. You're not alone. At one point I was in a long and I was telling Amy, what do you think it I was like, you think I could get away with holding this for the rest of the day? And nah, Trump talked and if you look here, let's see, hang on. Let's see. So I don't know if it's in there or not. But here in the server, I have this news feed or in there I have a financial juice bot that provides a bunch of news. I don't know if what he said was in there or not, but damn. Man, this is dumping, dude. It's funny. Way earlier this morning, I said in a different server that I wouldn't mind seeing 674 right here, and this was or 8, yeah, or no, this 6. Wait, oh wait, was it the 1 hour chart? Oh yeah, here. I was like, come on, let's just dump to 674. I said that way before the the Trump news, and now I'm like, okay, let's do it. Do you use Financial Juice website? And if you do, can you share your settings? No, I don't. I just have the bot in here. I don't really use it. I use Forex Factory for news stuff. So if this momentum keeps up, I'd want to see down here and tap into this BPR, sweep these lows. But that is kind of a ways down. Market maker sell model. It sure looks like it. Holy man. And to think, all week I thought we would hit all-time highs. Meanwhile, I think we're about to dump another 200 points or 150 points from where we're at now. I know. That makes me happy, man. I'm cool with it. I don't want all-time highs. But the market is definitely not happy right now. That's for sure. Damn. No, it was Trump. Trump said something about like tariffs with China on software, and so like that it's like bad news for tech. I'm pretty sure. So, and tech is pretty big. Pause. Just ripping through all this. Dump, 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 dump. What rhymes with Trump? Man, VIX is like earlier when Trump spoke or Trump tweeted or whatever it was. Wait. Yeah, look, VIX is just climbing, bro. Feel this 30-second long right here, but I mean, kind of fading the news bias, so I'm not going to be touching longs. I mean, we basically just joined to watch the market melt and hang out because there's really not going to be anything to do. Like, I highly doubt we get anything. This probably just keeps grinding lower the rest of the day. That news is, well, I don't know. Could try this 1 minute. Am I on paper? Okay. We can paper this 1 minute, but dude, this is mm-mm. So right now I feel like I'm going to just mark these, at least this wick here, down as our DOL. We do have this 15-minute here in the way. So that's probably why we're getting a bounce right here. If we do get this 1 minute, I'll paper it. Pretty decent reaction, honestly. So I'll try this on paper. Obviously, I hope it fails because I want us to keep dumping, but it could work because we're delivering from this 15-minute gap, so but I hope it gets wrecked. It doesn't look like it's gonna get wrecked. Got this 30-second right here. I probably would go BE there, but since I'm on paper, I'm just gonna let it either win or lose. Bro, I really want this to just dump so bad. Man, this volatility is. No, I'm actually been sizing down and using like either 20 or 25 point stop lately because VIX has been up. Woo! So just just VIX's volatility index It's a index or a chart that um, shows the volatility level. So as you can see, we're constantly climbing up, 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 up. So we're getting more volatile as the day is progressing. So if anything, a loss on this 1 minute just shows you the importance of sticking with your bias, right, and not falling for this first V shape that you see. So ideally, we just keep blasting through this 15 minute. We're only down 1.8%, so I mean, that's not that much, especially with this volatility. So I feel like maybe I just want this low really, really bad. I marked out the internal high. I marked out a internal high on 24,955 and relative equal lows 24,672. Yeah, that's where I have my draw on liquidity right now. Is 24,67. I mean, I guess probably 670 really. Basically, this gap down here, this 1 hour gap, anywhere within this 1 hour gap is kind of my draw. Holy moly. I know, dude. The LRLR to the upside, whenever we do decide to go that direction, is going to be fast. It's going to be fast. Bro, when you go to take a sip of coffee and it's not there, diabolical. I almost just took a sip of the hottest cup. Apex is having a PA sale too. Bro, don't tell me things like that. Gosh dang it, man. Banned. Mods banned J Brown. What the heck? Yep. I was waiting for Amy to hop in. Bro. Yep, he wasn't lying. I got the email. Bro, why you do this? Okay, but that's a really, really nice candle out of this gap. I hope this rebalances. We got this 2-minute gap holding right here. Probably going to finish like a market maker sell model before taking them out, or just ignore the LRR. Dude, I don't know. I just want this to keep dumping, dude. Free speech. All right, this might be as low as we go today, dude. Right here. Yeah, the dump might be over. Got this 3-minute. I will try this 3-minute if we get it. One micro in a dream. Bro, don't test me. Real. I don't even do that. Well, sometimes I do that, but I get in trouble for it. So, I mean, other than us dumping all day, this is pretty A plus. Delivering from this 15-minute, really good momentum. We're in discount for sure, for sure. Yeah. So I'll try this. Do have this 2-minute that's like a little bit bigger. That but I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Like this was a massive dump. At some point we have to have a pullback. Friday CPI. Hopefully it actually is real. There's a 3-minute. Hop in. There, and like I said, there is that 2-minute right there, so could slow us down. I know. I want to wait for the 2-minute, but then by the time we get the 2-minute, it's way up here. I don't know. Amy's probably right. But my stop's going to be like pretty big. Yeah, Amy's probably right. Bro, there's like a 3 or a 2-minute, a 3-minute, a 4-minute. Bro, I did not wait for anything. I just saw the 3 and was like, let's run that up. Yikes. Decent reaction. um, so we did get this little 1-minute inverse back up. It's not a super obvious gap, but also inverse this 30-second. Got this 4-minute right here that has a 1.5 minutes. Man, when we like accelerate down into this gap, barely come up, we manipulate the retrace and then come down, manipulate through this low again, and then just start getting these bullish candles. Like, dude, that's why I was like, okay, I think maybe this is the lowest we go now, because that reaction is crazy, especially after like manipulating and taking out the low again here. But this 2 minute is going to just ruin everything. Why are your bullish candles black? Because I'm weird. So the 4 minute inverse there, which is good, but we're still just waiting on this 2 minute. Exactly. Yeah, if it's throwing other people off, then they're perfect. They're just the way I want them to be. Yeah, I think we're cooked. Should have waited for the 2 minute. SMR? Hmm. I don't know, bro. I don't even know what that is. I mean, I know what it is, but I couldn't describe it. Yeah, I know it. I know what it stands for, but I don't know how to apply it. 0 1 hour gaps. This whole leg down. Yikes. So just swept out those lows, right? All these lows, and then tapped into this. Didn't hit 50%, but we tapped into nothing, I guess. Bro, I might hop off to sleep too. No. Like, I just want this to keep dumping, so I don't even know why I'm trying to take longs, bro. I know it's on paper, but tell me, what sense does it make to have a line drawn on my chart by me that says draw on liquidity? Yeah, I'm taking longs. I mean, granted, it was a decent reaction out of this 15 minute, but okay. Well, when I said I hope or I think this might be as low as we go today, please prove me wrong. I would rather be wrong. We want the Bears. Yeah, man. Thanks for joining and have a good day. The fist pound. Later, bro. Nux. Later, dude. You look at the screen? You look at the screen? Later, dude. Huh? Oh, God. Wait. Is she coming to talk to me? The camera not working? You're all later, dude. So we got stopped on the long, which makes perfect sense because, yeah, you know, we take a look at the last 5 hours. So, uh, bouncing from this 15-minute again. Or maybe that is as low as we could. I don't know anymore. Okay. Just had to dip back into the 15-minute, stop our paper out to get more liquids. Liquids. That's funny. Now do we come up and inverse this 2-minute? Man, imagine we rip through this in the next whatever, however long, 30 seconds. Man, my foot itching. Well, if we inverse this 2-minute, I'm getting back in. Bert. 7 seconds early. It's all good. Stop below the 2-min. Target. All-time highs. Just kidding. Just a quick 9K. Yeah, man, that'll work. Let's try again. I know. Mm. We still have this 5 minute that is just now about to close above in a minute or so. Like way above. Bro, why is my foot itching? I mean, sorry for sharing that, but jeez. It's driving me nuts. So we got the two. Just, I mean, it's like the highest close of all time, but I mean, it would make sense to come in reverse here, right? Like we swept so much. We tapped into this 15 minute. Um, we manipulated the low inside the 15 minute, pumped, came back down, retraced into the 15 minute, got a gnarly candle out of it. I mean, it kind of makes sense to reverse here. The question is how far. Probably at least these equal highs. 989 ish. I mean, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this could pump up the rest of the day. Imagine. Like news accelerated stop run, you know, and then we just continue back to all time highs basically. It said, "Oh, I can imagine." uh, I don't want to imagine. I want to see. Like the LRLR on the way back up here is crazy. It's just a matter of like, do we actually want to run it or not? Bro, this is so like, it's just whipping. Damn, man. Cooked again. This is probably cooked. Oh, dude. Reliable took the long. Oh, so we're both foolish. That's good. Joking, by the way. I mean, 50% of this 2 minute is right there, and we couldn't even wick down to that. So hopefully that helps us out. Just accelerate. Come on, come on. Which long, though? What long did he take? The 2 minute? The one that we're in now, or a different one? Is it the one that we took? The one right before you marked 50%? Mm. This? Like this inverse? Oh yeah, so it's basically the same trade because I just want like it closed above this gap and this big gap at the same time, so it's either this one or that one. It's both. I mean, both got inverse, so he took the 3 min. Here. Yeah, that's good. That's way better. I wasn't looking at the 3 minute, but that's way better for sure. I mean, at this point, I want higher, regardless of an entry or not. Like the way we were reacting out of this big 15-minute gap, which is not an IFVG. Why do I have it marked as an IFVG? So we're delivering from the 15-minute. I would like to see us. I mean, dude. This could like pump for real. Like this 2-minute candle. I feel like this 2-minute candle is like your CISD candle. Like we put in this little high, came down, didn't put in a lower low, and then just ripped through this ITL or ITH. Man, that came so close to stopping us out. Holy. Still might, but. I know. 15-minute. We got this OB pushing up. We wicked into this 15-minute once and rejected. So we'll see what happens once we tap that again. If we tap that again. I know. I mean, I feel like I could see this reaching for 990. Kind of just stuck inside this 1 minute. I feel like we're just going to get a blast out of nowhere. Maybe at the macro, we just start running. I don't know. Jeez. All right, maybe this is where we start taking off. Nice little V shape. Pretty good momentum. Oh, I just realized the 2 minute stopped out. I shouldn't have moved my stop loss up. Whoops. Trying to stay focused, you guys. The hunger is kicking in. Okay. Nice little pop. Nap time might be kicking in for you. Yeah, same, low key. I like now that I know we're not gonna have the girls this afternoon. I'm like, man, catch me eating lunch and going to sleep for a little while. Straight up. You want to? I'm down. So we tapped into this 15-minute that we marked out earlier. Let's see if we want to just accelerate past it or not. Dude, what a reaction out of that 15-minute. Holy. I think the 15-minute candle just closed. Okay. So let's see what happens with this next one. You want to see us start pushing up through this 15-minute if you're long. The more we can't push through this 15-minute, the less bullish it will become. But this looks really bullish right now, so. And this is like, dude, I know that you at first you would say that this is pretty steep, but like this LRLR looks freaking like I don't know what stops us until like here, honestly. Oops. Once we get through this 15-minute, like there's no FEGs all the way up onto the hourly. Okay. I mean, this is looking more and more like a buy model, yeah? I'm not tripping on that, right? Like this looks like the bottom of our sell model here. Like we put in protected low on this 15-minute because we swept these, right? Two minutes till the macro. Okay, so we keep wicking into this 1 minute, and this 1 minute OB kind of ripping. Kind of. Jeez. Just tapping this trend line. Nice little trend line. Sheesh. Dude, this PA is nasty. It's nasty. It's hurtful. It's being a little unforgiving right now. Honestly, I think I'm going to hop off here. Everything that we keep trying to take, it's getting cooked. So, market's not cooperating. And that's fine. Like, what is this? But yeah, that's gonna do it for me. So I will see y'all later. Well, Amy, I'll see you in a second. But everyone else, I'll see later. Bye.